just like a lovely story. You were mine and we were really happy. Came around when I was pretty lonely. Glad you found someone that I could be with. Never ever really crossed my...
Hello guys, and welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We have a bi-weekly grocery haul for you today. I am excited to share this with you. It is the first grocery haul on our new journey, and yeah, so things might look a smidge different, but we're gonna go ahead and get this fridge cleaned out, and then we will jump right into the haul. So I hope you will all stick around.
With you, should have known that you'd never make it through. Stole my time and I live my life with you. Should have known that you'd lose. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery. It was all a robbery, robbery.
Alrighty guys, we are home. We got everything unloaded here, got the fridge cleaned out so I can get everything put away. You can see, we got some veggies, so we won't be going to the farmer. Well, we'll go to the farmer's market this weekend, but I've been noticing that they've been bringing in a lot of stuff from out of states and stuff like that, and so I just figured I'm not gonna pay for that. I'm just gonna go to the grocery store, get what I need, and be done. So let's go ahead and start so I can get stuff put away, and then I will tell you at the end of the video, or towards the end of the video, while I'm putting everything away, what we spent and what the meal plan is for the week. So let's go through and I will show you. I will say we are on a journey of starting to eat less like processed foods. I'm going to try to make things from scratch if I can. So you'll see a lot of meat, veggies, and some like baking stuff. So anyway, bear with me and let me show you what we got. We'll go ahead and start here. I picked up some cornmeal so I can make some cornbread. I picked up some hamburger. I think we're still paying the same price. This is $88.20, or excuse me, $88.12. Where is the price on this thing? There it is. Okay, so it's still $3.79 a pound, which is cheaper than just buying it in the store. Someday I would really love to just buy like a half a beef and fill up the freezer and call it a day, but we really only eat ground beef. So I don't know, we'll see if that ever happens, but I would really love to support a local farmer and do that, but we'll see. I also picked up, I would love to do it with a hog too. I would love to get like a whole hog and cut and support the butcher that way too. But anyway, I picked up some breakfast sausage, some milk, which is always a staple in our household. These are $2.99 a gallon for the fat-free milk. What are you guys paying for a gallon of milk these days? I know in Walmart, I think it's like $3.09 for a gallon of milk, but these came from BJ's where it's $2.99. I did pick up some pepperonis. We really love having homemade pizza, so we're going to be doing that again. I picked up some Texas toast. Some things, until I get better at the bread baking, we're going to probably stick with the Texas toast until I figure it out, and then we'll start making our own garlic bread. But I did pick up some of that for a meal, probably spaghetti, quite honestly. I picked up some broccoli. This is just the Wellesley Farms, which is the BJ's brand. That's like tons of broccoli. I did not realize that the bag was so big, but that's okay. I'm here for it. I picked up some unbleached all-purpose flour. Like I said, we're doing a lot of our own homemade stuff. So I can make biscuits and noodles and, oh my goodness, tortillas and all the things. And we were getting low, so I wanted to grab some of that. I picked up some yellow potatoes and some russet potatoes. And then, whoop, we are falling with an open bag here. I picked up some andouille sausage for some red beans and rice. I also picked up the Maseka I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that. This is corn, the masa, I think is how it's pronounced, but I want to make some corn tortillas, and this is what you use to make corn tortillas. I also got some onions and some sweet potatoes. I picked up some cilantro. You guys, I actually legit do not like cilantro. I can taste the smallest amount, which is crazy because I love Mexican food, but I can taste the smallest amount of cilantro in my meal, and oh, it's gross. I can't even handle it. You guys are gonna have to let me know. Are you guys fans of cilantro, or do you think it's gross too? Some of my kids, well, actually most of my kids think it tastes like soap. I don't even know what it tastes like. I just don't like it. And then I think my husband and my son are the only two that are okay with eating it. I did pick up some romaine. These are both for the guinea pigs. The lettuce and the cilantro is for the guinea pigs. So I love my guinea pigs, so they get cilantro even though I hate it. Sweet potatoes. I picked up some bell peppers here. Let's see, some red beans, because I have like all the other beans and I didn't have any red beans. So I picked up some red beans. I'm going to be making red beans and rice with that. So of course we had to get some more rice. I did pick up some toothpaste and some laundry soap. Butter is a staple in our household, so I pretty much get butter with every single grocery order that I do. I picked up some carrots. I'm going to be making some glazed carrots with our with a meal this week. I also picked up some corn. I'm going to tell you what, corn, good ears of corn are hard to come by here, but for whatever reason, this package from BJ's is so good. The corn is really good in here. So I did pick up some pork chops. I'm going to be making some pepper jelly glazed pork chops on the Blackstone, and then I also picked up a couple packages of boneless skinless chicken breasts. I have some meal ideas for those this week, and then I also have already a package in the freezer. So anyway, now that we got everything talked about, let me go ahead and get it all put away, and I will tell you what I spent and what the plan is for the week.
Came to be a little fuzzy, honey. I didn't know what you wanted from me. Rather heard it from the beginning that you didn't know what you were feeling. Never ever really crossed my mind that you were just hanging around. Never ever really crossed my mind that this would end up upside down. You and me cheated for a long time.
So there are a few things that I didn't show in the haul that I totally forgot about because I literally moved them from the trunk of my car right into their spot in the garage. One of those things being a 40-pack of water, which was $3.99. It is hurricane season here, so I try to, with every grocery order, I try to buy a package of bottled water. You're supposed to have so much water per person in your family, so I do like to try to kind of stock those up throughout the season. I also purchased a 32 rolls of toilet paper for $19.99, 36-pack of Diet Pepsi for $14.99, a 24-pack of zero sugar Dr. Pepper for $11.68. Our grand total at Walmart was $61.27, and the total at BJ's this week was $255.03. That is for a total for the bi-weekly haul is $316.31. Just a reminder, we are a family of 6. Actually, though, I will be honest, our oldest daughter has not really been eating a whole lot at home. She's a free child now. She has her license and a boyfriend, and they go and do their thing. So, and friends. So she hangs out with them a lot. So we do not feed her a whole lot anymore, but yeah, so she also has a job and buys a lot of her own food. So, especially if she doesn't like what I'm cooking. Such a pain. But Anyway, speaking of cooking, the plan for the week is homemade pizza, cowboy stew, pepper jelly glazed pork chops. I made those a few weeks ago and the kids absolutely love them, so I'm going to be making them again. Spaghetti, burgers, red beans and rice, skillet sausage, peppers and onions, fajitas, chicken breast with glazed carrots, tacos with homemade tortillas, pulled barbecue chicken over sweet potatoes. If you've never had a savory sweet potato instead of a sweet version, or like the dessert kind of version with marshmallows and all that, definitely try a savory. The barbecue is sweet enough that, I don't know, it just goes with the sweet potatoes. It is so good. I absolutely love it. If any of those recipes you're interested in seeing, let me know down in the comments and I will do my best. If I don't film it in an actual video, I can definitely do a short for you guys. I love sharing recipes and all that. So definitely, if you're interested, leave me a comment down below on which one you would like to see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video up by separating our meat down. I hope this video was interesting to you guys, maybe inspiring, gave you guys some ideas, meal ideas that is. Anyway, I hope you guys will stick around, subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I hope you stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
And the moment we're off it, we try so hard to stop it. I hope we make it, 'cause we can't change it.